All right, what is up? This is Baxter over at carwashcountry.com. Today I wanted to talk about how to remove your wiper arm from your Jeep TJ. So I've got a pretty old wiper arm that I want to repaint. This is sort of grayed out, as you can see. First thing you want to do is pull it out like this. You'll see a tab right here. Basically just pull that up. You might need a flathead screwdriver. Mine came up pretty easy without it. The other one was a little bit more difficult, but once it's up like this, basically you just take it and just lift it out. It's that easy. To put it back on, you really want to make sure that it's lined up with the windshield like this, wherever your wiper is going to start, which is like right here, before you tighten it, or before you push that tab back down. So got it in here, want to make sure that it's where I want it to be. This is obviously high. You don't want to put it there. It's a little bit difficult to do with one hand. But basically just push it down. And to lock it, just make sure that it's back like this. Push this down. You're good to go. And that's how you do it. So once you've got these off your Jeep, one thing I like to do, since this is just a metal, I just use Dawn dish liquid and a detailing brush like this. So if you don't have one of these, I use these for everything. You'll see these in a lot of my videos, but it really can help to get in surfaces behind it, just about anywhere. You can use these for lug nuts or vents, clean your dashboard with them. Just pick up a bunch of these for the interior and the exterior. I got these on Amazon. This is a pretty worn out brush actually, but basically you just want to clean this off and prep it for paint, and then we'll move on to the next step. Everyone, so I've got these things cleaned off a little bit. Next product that I want to use is just a primer. This is an adhesion promoter. Just before I put the layer of paint on these, a lot of paints will come with primer, so it's not essential you do this, but I'm gonna try it anyway, just to make sure the paint sticks. So I'm just gonna coat this. I've got this hanging on a coat hanger right here. I saw somebody do this. I thought it was cool. So just hang them up, or you can spray them on like a newspaper, however you want to do it. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray these down and move on to actually painting these. Finished priming these. One thing I did was scuff these up a little bit with some sandpaper, just some fine grit sandpaper, 300-400 grit. You don't have to do that necessarily if you put like an adhesion promoter on it or something. But I'm actually going to use this flat black rust protector on it and see how it works. I really like the color on some bolts that I've already sprayed, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. Since I painted these, I was just in a pretty heavy rainstorm, and I'm not really seeing any chipping. I think everything's holding up really well. So I would highly recommend these products if you're looking to restore your wiper arms. If you just bought an old Jeep or you have an older one, this is really one of the most visible things that I've noticed on this Jeep. But if you like this video, you want other tips for restoring different parts of your Jeep, feel free to check out some of the other videos. I will link up at the end of this one as well as the description. If you're just looking for tips on cleaning the interior, I'm going to make videos on all of that. You can also head over to carwashcountry.com. If you're just a beginner, you're looking to get into auto detailing, you want to know how the professionals do it, feel free to head on over there. I've also got some videos I'm planning to make on how I restore these hood latches as well. I'm going to do some other trim pieces too. So thank you guys for subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video.